We are covering important environmental conventions and summit. Today we will do United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification UNCCD because COP15 held recently in Abidjan, Coast of Ivory. It is a country in Western Africa. UNCCD was established in 1994 and it is one of the Rio Conventions, one of the 3 Rio Conventions. Other 2 were United Nations Convention on Biological Diversity, we know it as CBD, I covered it in previous video, and United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, UNFCCC. And third one is this UNCCD, 3 Rio Conventions. There are total 197 parties, 196 countries plus EU, and India is a party. Sole legally binding international agreement which links environment and development for sustainable land management. So the objective is to focus on coordinated action plans so that land degradation could be avoided and we have a carbon neutral path. Major initiatives launched by UNCCD are Land Degradation Neutrality called LDN, in which the UNCCD supports the countries that are interested in setting their target for land degradation neutrality, setting the process for the target. There is an LDN fund also and a program called Land for Life program, which focuses on land degradation, desertification and drought mitigation. This is an important topic because questions have been asked on UNCCD and desertification. Now let us talk about COP15. The theme was Land Life Legacy from Scarcity to Prosperity. India had hosted COP14 in 2019, where the commitment was made to restore 26 million hectares of degraded land by 2030. India made this commitment. And theme was Restore Land, Sustain Future. New commitments are there to accelerate the restoration of 1 billion hectare by 2030. An intergovernmental working group will be established for drought for 2022-2024 and dust and sandstorms and related disaster risks will be addressed. And there is focus on bringing more synergies among the 3 Rio Conventions, CBD, UNFCCC and UNCCD. There is a new declaration called Abidjan Declaration on Achieving Gender Equality. So if question is asked what is this Abidjan Declaration, where it was announced, then it is related to UNCCD. One important movement related to this is Great Green Wall Movement. It is an African-led movement where 8,000 kilometer belt of trees will be grown across the entire width of Africa. So through UNCCD, communities that are growing these Great Green Wall will be enabled so that they can access the technology and monitor the progress, and new jobs can be created and they can commercialize their produce that will come from these trees. So Great Green Wall and Abidjan Declaration on Achieving Gender Equality. These are some important facts. These are important topics. Do revise them. And for more such videos, subscribe to the channel.